Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the USB problem. The USB has been disconnected, or the tangerine has been connected. We will solve all these problems in a very simple way. All you have to do is print the steps explained in this video. But before starting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who subscribed to my channel, and thank you for your support. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings, then click on about the phone. You will find it at the bottom, then click on the version number 7 times until you activate the developer options. Click on it 7 times, and thus the developer options will be activated. Now we go back. After that we go to the system and updates, and we will find the developer options here. If you do not find them here, it is okay. Go to the settings, then go to the settings search engine and write the developer options, and it will appear for you here. Enter it. After that, go down and search for USB error correction. After that, you activate this option, and thus you will have been able to solve this problem. I hope you liked the video. I hope you have benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in the next video.